My name is Georgia Witheridge. I work for AE Aerospace and I'm a Level 3 machining apprentice at Make UK. When I was 14, I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted a practical career, and so engineering was an obvious option for me when picking my GCSEs. Before coming to Make, I completed my Level 3 diploma at college, and then at Make I have learned all the practical skills that I feel can make me a better engineer in the workplace in the future. I strongly advise and would recommend any female to strongly consider engineering as a career choice, as it is one of the most satisfying jobs I believe there to be, as some of the complex jobs that you have to do, and when you complete them it's really satisfying.